I'm an electrical engineer here at Honeywell Alpha-T. I'm also a product engineer that supports a lot of Hi, my name is Jonah.
liftoff of the Delta rocket carrying Blast.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to Discovery Festival 2022. My name is Sebastian Martinez. I am with Big Brothers Big Sisters of Central New Mexico. We're actually here at the exhibit hall for the event tomorrow, so that's exciting. So getting ready for that. And today we have an awesome exhibitor, Honeywell, who is our presenting sponsor for Discovery Festival. They've been a presenting sponsor for a number of years for us, and we're just very, very excited to have them on board and have them a big part of Big Brothers Big Sisters family. Today they're going to be doing an awesome exhibit, and I would like to introduce Honeywell.
Hi, my name is Joanne White. I'm an electrical engineer here at Honeywell Alpha-T. I'm also a product engineer that supports a lot of the trailer manufacturing services. I'm also a proud Native American from the Navajo Nation tribe, and I would like to introduce myself in my own native language. Yate, She'e, Joanne White, Yirishke, Tohaglini Ishman, Izitlana Bashichi, Lasha, Dishiche, Ashin Dishnad.
Hi, my name is James Nance. I'm an electrical engineer for Honeywell Alpha-T. I've been working here about 3.5 years, and I work on test equipment. So we build circuits and systems to test everyday products to make sure they meet what the customer needs, a lot like what we'll show you today.
So today, James and I are going to be building a kit. A lot of what we do is in high-tech manufacturing. So we take a lot of pieces and components and we build it up into a higher, more advanced, complicated machine.
This art circuit project is a lot like the work that we do, but just on a much smaller scale. Today we'll be using a circuit building kit to build an art machine that can draw on its own using these components here in front of us.
And once we build it up, we're going to test it and then prove that it works. So we'll need a battery, a P7 power cord, an I-16 pulse, a O25 DC motor, 2 of them, and then 2 A25 wheels, an A30 mounting board, A31 battery mount, and also a marker and 2 cable ties. So the first step to build our circuit, we're going to need to snap together a couple components. So first we'll take our battery power source and snap it together with our power cable. Make sure that positive and negative are going to the right terminals. And then we'll take the power cable end, and then we're going to snap that together with one of the DC motors. Okay, next we're going to snap together to the DC motor the pulse. And after we have the pulse on, the next step is to snap on another DC motor. And those pieces there complete our circuit. In step 4, we're going to be sliding the battery into the battery mount. This will attach to the back of the mounting board. So how this works is that we're going to start with the I-16 pulse. The speed slider controls how fast the pulse flips on and off. Adjusting it will change how often and how long the second motor spins. So the pulse switch, it opens and closes over again. So when we open it, the signal from the previous passes through, and then when we close it, the signal is blocked. The power cable, or P7 power, sends the signal through the circuit. This then goes through the first DC motor, receives that signal, and spins at the full speed in one direction. The next signal is passed through the I-16 pulse. The pulse only lets the signal through in short bursts, depending on whether you have the slider all the way to the left or all the way to the right. When the second DC motor gets a signal from the pulse, it spins. but when the pulse switches off, the motor stops. And so our wheels down below do a doodly wizard motion that is caused by friction between the wheels and the drawing surface. The motion of the wheels will change if it is placed on different types of drawing surfaces. For instance, rough paper, glossy paper, or whiteboard. You could also experiment with adding different materials to the face of the wheels and see how friction changes with your drawing.
And that's it, folks. Thank you so much for coming. And thanks to our main title sponsor, Honeywell, who has supported Discovery Festival for many years. We appreciate their support, and just want to give everybody a reminder that our main live event will be happening tomorrow at Expo New Mexico, Manuel Lujan, Building B and C. Hope to see everybody tomorrow. And again, thanks to Honeywell. Y'all have a great day. Go live the dream, and happy science.